Hi, I'm Meham Jayasuri. I'm a project manager at Epic Lanka. I manage various projects in different domains such as mobile payment, core banking, insurtech, IPG, and intranet solutions. Today, I will talk to you about the LVT platform or Epic Low Value Transaction Platform that was developed exclusively for Bank of Ceylon under the brand name SmartPay. I would describe SmartPay as a secure, convenient, and cost-effective platform that facilitates low-value transactions. So, what do we mean by this? This platform can reach merchants of all socio-economic groups, from the top of the pyramid to the grassroots levels. Imagine you are a small business owner operating in a rural district. Even though you want to expand your customer base, facilitating payments will come as a big challenge. But with the LVT platform, customers and merchants can register to submit or receive electronic payments for low-value transactions. The solution allows BOC customers to self-activate for the service through a simple registration process, with the option to later upgrade themselves as merchants to accept payments. Some key features of this platform include a common mobile wallet application for any customer or merchant across Android, iOS, and Huawei platforms, static and dynamic Lanka QR payment facility for merchant and bill payments, an administrative web control panel to facilitate parameter initialization, reference data management, transaction monitoring, and report generation, and structured merchant app for BOC customers. We also plan to introduce new features to this platform to improve it further. This award-winning LVT platform helps banks save large amount of capital investment. For example, the payment model and operation of the bank can be done through a digital platform, thereby saving money on systems, maintenance, and operational costs.